Hey, third grade. Today you're going to get back your cathedral. If you haven't finished that, you need to do that first. Remember, that included drawing it, that included sharpieing it, that included erasing it, and then using the charcoal to add a little bit of a shadow to it. If you're that far, you're ready to move on to the final step of the project. You're going to get a CD off of the front counter. You're also going to need a black Sharpie, and then you should have some colored Sharpies at your table. You're going to start off with that black Sharpie. I'm going to flip it over, and you need to put your name on the back so I know which one is yours. If you have a CD that's like all black and you can't write on it, let me know and I'll just put a piece of tape on it and we can write your name on it. Mr. Calvert, I'm going to flip it over, and we are going to be making a radial design on this CD, so radial symmetry. And that means that it's not just going to have symmetry from the left and the right. It's going to have symmetry that goes all the way around this CD, kind of like what we see with the rose windows. So to do that, I'm going to take my black Sharpie and draw a line going straight down the middle, like that. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to draw a line going the other direction, straight down the middle. Right. Next, I'm going to turn it again, so it's got like this X shape. I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle. And I'm going to do the same one more time, right here. Okay, so that big section, I'm going to draw it straight down the middle. If you're not sure where to put those lines, be sure to ask me, and I can tell you where. But you should end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different sections. Once you've done that with your black Sharpie, you can put that black Sharpie away. And you're going to use those colored Sharpies to create some symmetry. So if I decide to put maybe a green spot right here, all right, so it's just to the right of that black line, I'm going to turn that Sharpie. I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. So that means every one of those little sections that you drew out is going to have that same design. I would focus on making your design probably abstract. I wouldn't be trying to draw pictures or anything. Otherwise, this is probably going to take you a little too long to try and finish. You color that in. Right, so I did those triangles all the way around. Maybe I want to take this pink. Maybe you'll do something like this. So I would draw some lines, draw some shapes, and create some blocks of color. Remember that this is called radial symmetry. Radial means that it goes around in a circle. All right, after you've got that radial design finished, making sure that each one of these little wedges or triangles on your CD is exactly the same, I'm going to put a bucket up front. We can put it inside that basket, right, and I will hot glue these to our cathedrals after class. Okay, so we have that nice rose window on it. When you're done, make sure to put the caps all the way back on the Sharpies.